I've done many things in my life. Moved to New York when I was 21, worked really hard, saved my money, and eventually I opened my own restaurant. Ran it for 5 years and sold it when I didn't enjoy it anymore. Was it a success? The locals loved it. Do I have regrets? I needed to try because otherwise I would always think, what if? I gave it all I got. I wish I started van life sooner. I wish I started making videos sooner. But here we are. Am I a good filmmaker? Far from it. I'm still learning. Am I successful at this YouTube thing? Well, success is measured in different ways. What I do know for sure is that I'm gonna give it all I got. Good morning everyone and welcome back to Van Life. Hope you're doing well. We're at this beautiful spot at the beach. The sun is not showing its face yet, but I don't care because it's time for some coffee. Cafferuni. Caffinissimo. Cafe? You get it, you get it. As you can tell, I stayed in town. I didn't go on any far adventures. When I was filming this van earlier this morning, I realized how dirty it is. There's always dirt in my travels, so I don't bother to wash it. Because I'm in town, I need to go wash it. Well, we have arrived. There's a Sprinter in front of me. They sell car washes. They'll have like regular height for regular cars, and then they'll have one or two off where like it can fit taller vehicles like a Sprinter or even bigger vehicles. And on the side they'll also have a little like thing that you can go above and like wash the top of it. If you have a car, try to leave those spots for the bigger vehicles because otherwise it's a huge wait. Let the car washing begin. Now she's squeaky clean. Okay, squeaky might be a strong word, but much cleaner than before. Even though I have my own vacuum, I use theirs when I'm there because it's just really much better. If I'm staying in town like I am this week, I like to prep a dish for the whole week. The problem with that is that I don't want to get bored with it, so I need to prep something that I'm gonna have it as a base of protein. Then I can make different dishes with it where I can either add it in a bowl, eat it cold or eat it hot, add some avocado on top of it, add an egg if I need to. The same goes if I want to make a burrito or I want to make a wrap, which is kind of the same thing for me in my book anyway. Because I have the microwave that I installed a while ago, I can do all of that. Obviously, if you've been on the channel for a little bit, you know that I have an electric cooktop. This has a feature that I really like. I can choose from the wattage that it pulls. It has a 600, a 900, and a 1300 watts. Why do I bring that up? This recipe that I have is that I have to simmer something for 20 minutes, which means that I have to run the stove for a long time, which is gonna draw a bunch of power. So I'm gonna try to simmer it at 600 watts, so I don't pull that much wattage. To be honest, that's one of the biggest reasons I actually got this brand. Plus, it's small and compact. Okay, let's make that food. Set timer for 20 minutes. Right now the battery is at 87 and we're pulling 700. There's a lot of goodness in here. We got avocado, we got two types of beans, red beans and also lentil, and of course potatoes and quinoa, which is also, quinoa is a very good source of protein, and a little bit of lime. At the end I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil infused with basil. During the summer it's like my favorite thing to put over cold food. Let's give this a try. The only thing is I'm hoping that the potatoes are done because I didn't taste them yet. Potatoes add a very good flavor. I only put a small one in there, so. I know today hasn't been like the longest video as some of you may like, but this is kind of my real van life when I stay in town. It's not always an adventure. I try to make it interesting for you guys, but when I stay in town, there's not much to see except the ocean and the parks. Thank you for coming along on today's video, and if you did watch until the end, make sure you check out this video up here. Consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all the good stuff, commenting down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.